morning friends, my name is Dr. Ravindra Ambade. I am working as an assistant professor at Mumbai Veterinary College Parel, Mumbai. I had baldness since 3 years. I have used so many shampoos, oils, Ayurvedic medicines to grow my hairs, but there were no any result. Then I have searched the very good and very important hair transplant clinic, that is V-Plant Advanced Hair Clinic at Mindspace, Malad West, and I have visited the pioneer Dr. Amit Agarkar sir advised me to go for MHI technique, and I have gone through the YouTube different methods. I have learned a lot from the YouTube about the MHI technique and technology for the hair transplant to regrow the hairs. Then I decided to go to the V-Plant Advanced Hair Transplant Clinic for the MHI technique, and I have done the hair transplant on 19th November 2019, and after 2 years this is my result. I have gone near about 3 to 4 settings of the PRP and along with the hair transplant, and I got a very nice result, and that is what I am recommending you or referring you this Dr. Amit Agarkar's clinic, that is V-Plant Advanced Hair Transplant Clinic, a very nice clinic for the hair transplant. Thank you so much.